Welcome everyone. Welcome to our new marathon series on English vocabulary. Okay, we'll be focusing just on English vocabulary. So we will be going on with the session. Question 9. Though I am kind to people, they often tend to get presumptuous, which enrages me a lot. Right? Though I am kind to people, they often tend to get presumptuous, which enrages me a lot. What does the word presumptuous mean? What does the word presumptuous mean? Okay, timid, modest, arrogant, coming to an assumption. Right? Coming to an assumption. Okay, let's see the right answer here. Hi, Pratik. No, it's right. It's right. I'll tell you what is the difference between presumptuous and assumptuous. Okay, I know it sounds it sounds similar with assumptuous. क्या हो रहा है? And is there any lag happening? Right? I know it sounds similar with assumptuous. So most of the people will go for this answer. So that is what I call it as a trap. Hmm? That is what I call it as a trap. Okay, it is not coming through an assumption. Presumptuous का मतलब क्या है? I will tell you the meaning of presumptuous first. Okay, I'll tell you the meaning of presumptuous. Presumptuous का मतलब है crossing the limits, right? Crossing the limits. Okay, so everyone knows the proverb, right? Kindness is mistaken as weakness. Everyone knows the proverb, right? Kindness is mistaken as weakness, right? I become kind to you, and you guys take my kindness as weakness and become arrogant with me. Hey, ये कुछ नहीं कर सकता. ये कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Hey, इसको उठाओ, उठाओ, right? So that is what people do, right? So arrogant is the right answer. So Adya, don't you think arrogant is the right answer here? They are not coming to an assumption. I am kind to people, but my kindness is mistaken as weakness. Right? My kindness is mistaken as weakness. They try to be arrogant with me. Huh? मेरे को respect नहीं देते हैं. Right? They don't give me respect. They try to be arrogant with me. कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. So it is arrogant is the right answer. Any doubt? Timid का मैंने बता दिया already. Lack of courage. Modest का मतलब है he is actually प्रॉपर पर्सन मॉडेस्ट बहुत ही सिंपल बंदा है सिंपल बंदा है राइट कमिंग टू एन assumption दिस इज रॉन्ग you come to an assumption जब IPL सब होता है ना then you come to an assumption right here I am kind to people but they mistake my kindness to be weakness and they get presumptuous with me they get arrogant with me is it clear everyone is it clear everyone so though the words are similar in talking in telling you don't come to an assumption here most of you came to an assumption yes or no most of you came to an assumption that D is the right answer. Wrong. Okay. C is the right answer. Okay. C is the right answer. Arrogant. Okay. Chalo. Let's move on to the next question. Question 10. Sometimes you have to pertinently disapprove the requests of others or else, sorry, or else it might lead to a trouble later. What does the word pertinent mean here? What does the word pertinent mean here? You have to pertinently disapprove the requests of others, right? So being rude, being polite, being patient, being direct and to the point. Right? Being direct and to the point. Okay. So three options are quite similar. So you guys have to look for it, right? You guys have to deduce this logically, right? Deduce this logically. अच्छा बहुत लोगों ने कर लिया वेरी गुड वेरी गुड Chalo, right? Okay, yes. Pertinently disapprove, right? You have to pertinently disapprove. What is this here? Isn't it a verb? Yes or no? What does the word pertinently mean? Right? Pertinently, you have to directly tell them to the point. Okay? आगे कोई आता है, अभी देखो मेरा आदि है, आदि हमेशा टेक्स्ट करता है मुझे, सर इससे बात करवा दो, उससे बात करवा दो. आई एम डायरेक्ट टू द पॉइंट. नहीं भाई, नहीं हो सकता मेरे से, मैं ये सब नहीं करता, मैं दलाल वाली काम नहीं करता हूँ, मैं दलाल वाला काम नहीं करता हूँ, नहीं होता मेरे से. डायरेक्ट वर्ड. ओके, आई एम बीइंग डायरेक्ट एंड टू द पॉइंट हियर. ओके, इट इज नॉट बीइंग पोलाइट, राइट? Okay, just analyze this, people. Can you be polite and tell no? Can you be polite and tell no? अभी देख लो, राइट? प्रतीक हंस रहा है इतना, तो प्रतीक को मैं कुछ पूछूंगा, राइट? कैन यू टेल नो पोलाइटली? अरे नहीं सर, सॉरी सर. मैं क्या, कर दे यार, मैं बोलते रहूंगा तो ये तो नहीं होगा, राइट? ओके, बीइंग रूड इज आल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. कैन आई बी पेशेंट? वो 10 बार पूछते रहेगा, सो कैन आई नो 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 नो, ऐसे मुंडी हिलाते रह सकता हूँ क्या? आई कांट बी पेशेंट, नो. एट वन पॉइंट आई विल गेट इरिटेटेड. अरे नहीं बोला ना, नहीं कर सकता मैं, नहीं बोला ना, आई गेट इरिटेटेड. यस और नो? कैन आई बी पेशेंट टू ए पर्सन? इफ आई बी पेशेंट, नो, he'll ask it 100 times, he'll ask it 1000 times. I can't be patient there. एक गांधी जी से फिलोसॉफी नहीं आजमा सकता ना, एक कान दिया तो दूसरा कान दिला दो. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना. आई कैंट बी पेशेंट हियर, सो दिस इज आल्सो रॉन्ग, राइट? So it is being direct and to the point. Okay, being direct and to the point. Okay, direct to the point. नहीं भाई, मेरे से नहीं हो सकता, I am busy, sorry, मेरे को बख्श दो, किसी और के पास जाके पूछ लो. Sorry, मेरे को बख्श दो, किसी और के पास जाके पूछ लो. So that's what the word pertinent means. Okay, that's what the word pertinent means. Being direct and to the point. Okay, chalo, let's move on to the next question. Okay, we have come down. Okay, 11th question. The new syllabus formation has evinced that students can take up these exams more confidently now, right? Has evinced that students can take up these exams more confidently now. What does the word evinced mean, right? तो एक बात बताता हूं, don't get confused here, because the exams are not yet done. ओके, एग्जाम्स हुआ नहीं है, सिर्फ सिलेबस आ गया है, राइट? एग्जाम्स हुआ नहीं है तो सिर्फ सिलेबस आ गया है. सो यू कैन टेल समथिंग, राइट? यू हैव टू जस्ट स्टेट इट, राइट? यू हैव टू जस्ट स्टेट इट. सो व्हिच वन विल बी द राइट ऑप्शन हियर, राइट? सिलेबस आया है बस, एग्जाम नहीं हुआ इधर. ओके, सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड हियर. वन ऑप्शन यू कैन डायरेक्टली एलिमिनेट, इसलिए मैंने बता दिया. ओके, हाँ देखो, राइट? वरना सब लोग ऑप्शन ये दे देते ना प्रूव करके. ओके, एग्जाम्स इधर हुआ नहीं है, right? Exams has not happened here. Okay, it has just stated, it has just told us something, right? The new syllabus has told us something. Okay, so which one will be the right option? अरे, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू हेल्प यू आउट बाबा, राइट? तो बहुत लोगों को इंग्लिश इज अ डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज, नो, राइट? फॉर मेनी ऑफ द पीपल इंग्लिश इज स्टिल एट द बटिंग स्टेजेस, राइट? तो थोड़ा हेल्प कर देते हैं हम, थोड़ा हेल्प कर देते हैं, राइट? I don't want to demotivate people at this stage of preparation. At this stage of preparation, right? The new syllabus formation has evinced, right? So exam हुआ क्या, right? Has exam happened now, people? Tell me, exam has happened? It has not happened. सिर्फ syllabus बताया गया. So can I tell believe? Can I tell the word believe or prove here? Can I tell the word believe or prove here? Right? हुआ ही नहीं है, right? हुआ ही नहीं है, तो how can I tell believe or prove here? ये दोनों तो गलत है, right? What does conceal mean? What does conceal mean? छुपा के रखना, hiding something, right? Hiding something is called as concealing, right? सिलेबस तो सबको दिखा दिया है, सिलेबस तो सबको दिखा दिया है, कहाँ कंसील कर रहे हैं हम? Where are we concealing here? We are not hiding anything, right? It is shown to people, right? अभी क्या ऑप्शन बचता है बताओ, right? सिर्फ indicate ऑप्शन बचता है, right? It has evinced, stated, okay? It has indicated, right? एक इंडिकेशन मिला हमको, एक इंडिकेशन मिला हमको कि स्टूडेंट्स मोर कॉन्फिडेंटली ये एग्जाम्स ले सकते हैं, राइट? एक इंडिकेशन मिला, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्टूडेंट्स कैन टेक अप द एग्जाम्स मोर कॉन्फिडेंटली. एनी डाउट्स इन द ऑप्शन सी? एनी डाउट्स इन एनी ऑफ द ऑप्शंस? इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? चलो, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द next one, right? Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Option C is the right answer. It is very hard to elicit a response from him. when he is at work. It is very hard to elicit a response from him when he is at work. What does, sorry, not what does, ये मरना ही जाता है, okay? What does the word elicit mean here? What does the word elicit mean here? Evoke, pick, gall, and irk. Okay? So one word which you know the correct answer, that is the answer here. इसको देखते ही आपको लगता है हाँ ये वर्ड देखा है मैंने कहा, तो वही सही आंसर है इधर. सर प्रोवोक का प्रोवोकेट होगा क्या? नो नो नो, आई टेल यू अबाउट द मीनिंग, आई टेल यू अबाउट द मीनिंग. ओके, हाँ, इर्क इज ऑल्सो ए वर्ड, इर्क इज ऑल्सो ए वर्ड. ओके, उसका फर्स्ट 2 लेटर्स में आपको उसका मीनिंग मिल जाता है. थैंक यू हर्षदा. Okay, yes. Okay, so let's see the answer here. Okay, so what does evoke mean? Okay, evoke का मतलब क्या है? बाहर लाना. Something you are taking out something, right? Taking out something. Okay, taking out something from the person, evoking a response. उसका response बाहर लाना. उसका response बाहर लाना. That is called as evoke. What does pick mean? Pick का मतलब है irritation. Okay, what does gal mean? A brave personality, right? Bravery, gallant. ये word सबने सुना होगा ना, ये word सबने देखा होगा. He is a gallant soldier, he is a valiant soldier, right? He fought valiantly, right? Gallant, that is called as brave. Irk का मतलब क्या है? Again a same thing, irritate. Don't irk me, don't irk me, that was an irk, right? Don't irritate me people, don't irritate me people. So that is what irk means. Okay, तो दोनों का मतलब है irritation, इसका मतलब है गाल. तीनों गलत आंसर है. गाल का मतलब है brave, तो evoke, bring out a response from the person. ऐसा ना, bring out a response from the person, right? It is very hard to bring out a smile in Adi's face, right? It is very hard to elicit a smile in Adi's face. बहुत मुश्किल है भाई, वो हंसता नहीं है, वो हमेशा सीरियस रहता है. Adi is always serious, right? वो हंसता नहीं है. So that is what evoke. Any doubts here? Any doubts here? Chalo, let's move on to the next question. Adi, I will tell you. How are you, Sirji? I'm very fine, Santosh. Thank you for asking. How are you? Okay. Yes. Okay. Question 13. His variability at work is often criticized and condemned. What does the word variability mean here? What does the word variability mean here? Option A, trying to be different, trying to be oversmart, lack of consistency, having a confused behavior. Okay, so variable graph kaise hota hai? Imagine that will give you the right answer, right? You always know how a variable graph is there, right? How a variable graph is. So that will give you the right answer here. Okay, that will give you the right answer, a variable graph. Okay, so yes, so provoke. Okay, provocative. Okay, and you want the meaning of, what is the word Adi told? Provocate, right? Provocate, yes or no, right? Provocate. Is Adi there? Huh? Oh, you are asking whether the spelling is right or not. क्या हुआ इधर? Oh, it has come to a blank screen. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Can someone tell me what is the name of the right? Question 13. Okay, okay. So we are back to this question, right? Sorry, there was a technical issue, right? There was a technical issue. Okay, yes. So his variability at work is often criticized and condemned. Okay, what does variability mean? What does variability mean, people? So I have a graph here, right? So ये graph ऐसा ऐसा उड़ता रहता है, ऐसा ऐसा उड़ता रहता है, right? So variability, the graph is varying everywhere. Yes or no? It is varying everywhere. So can I tell trying to be different? Is the graph trying to be different here, people? Right? Is this a different graph? सब graph ऐसा ही रह सकता है, right? Some of the graphs will look the same, okay? Right? Some of the leg is look the same. तो A वाला गलत, trying to be over smart? Is the graph trying to be over smart? What does variability mean? Right? What does variability mean? It is not consistent. It is not consistent, right? Lack of consistency. Okay, you can always see this variability word is often used with sports players. Okay, okay, players के साथ जो लोग sports में associate होते हैं ना, उनको ये variability word use करते हैं हमेशा, because there is a lack of consistency between them, right? Okay, so can I tell confused? Can I tell this is confused? Confused or variability are two different words. Okay, you can't be confused when you are varying. Okay, it is lack of consistency. सर पहला वाला इंटरफेस सही था, राइट? इसमें आप पूल के बाद गायब हो जाते हैं, अच्छा ऐसा है सॉरी सर, हाँ, प्रोवोकेट का मतलब है टू प्रोवोक समबडी, राइट? सो आई आल्सो हैड अ टेक्निकल इशू देयर, right? I also had a technical issue there, and the spelling is correct. I thought you wanted the meaning for this, right? I thought you wanted the meaning for this. Provocate is to provoke someone, okay? Usko bhadkana. So that is what. Provocative is you being provocative, right? You being provocative, and provocate is that person, okay? Yes. So chalo, let's move on to the next question. Poke. Poke का मतलब है वापस irritate, right? Irritate. हाँ, K नहीं आएगा. It is C only. K नहीं आएगा. It won't be provocative. ये रॉन्ग है. यस, ओके, यस. पोक का मतलब इरिटेटिव है. पोक वो फेसबुक में होता था ना पहले, पोक ए पर्सन, जानबूझ के उसको टोकना, ए बोलो बोलो, ठीक है? सो दैट इज व्हाट पोक मींस, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट पोक मींस. चलो, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन 14. His interview went good as we had expected, but still the recruiters asked him to get concretized in certain matters. Right? Concretized in certain matters. What does the word concretize mean here? What does the word concretize mean here? Build up the basics, become specific, study concepts in more detail, and be disciplined. Okay? Build up the basics, become specific, study concepts in more detail, and be disciplined. Okay? राइट? सो इन 4 में से आपको सही ऑप्शन चूज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो गो अप विद दिस. कॉन्क्रीटाइज, राइट? कॉन्क्रीट हम किधर यूज करते हैं? वेयर डू वी यूज कॉन्क्रीट? वेयर डू वी यूज कॉन्क्रीट पीपल? अरे उल्टा समझ लिया लोगों ने. ठीक है, ठीक है, लोगों ने उल्टा समझ लिया उसको. अरे अरे, हाँ, उल्टा समझ लिया. इट्स फाइन. मैंने बेस बोला और लोगों ने बेसिक समझ लिया. हाँ, ओके, इट्स फाइन. उल्टा समझ लिया लोगों ने. Yes, okay. So what does concretized mean? Okay, concretize का मतलब क्या है? हम concrete क्यों डालते हैं in a building? Why do we put it? Okay, so the building has a what? Specific shape. Yes or no? Huh? Any civil engineer here? Any civil engineer here? Why do you put concrete on the basis? Why do you put concrete on the basis? So that a building gets a specific shape. Concrete नहीं हुआ तो क्या होता है? हर एक leaning tower of Pisa जैसे दिखेगा ना? Everything will look like the leaning tower of Pisa. ऐसे सब बिगड़ जाएगा. सब बिगड़ जाएगा. To get a specific shape, we use concrete slabs. We use concrete slabs. They are always in a specific shape. Okay. So people will be like study concepts in more detail. तो ये तो नहीं हो सकता because he can't be get selected in the interview. Okay. If his concepts was not in more detail. Be disciplined also. This can't be the option because he is selected in the interview. Right. This person is selected in the interview. तो मैं D वाला ऑप्शन भी नहीं बता सकता इधर. D वाला ऑप्शन भी नहीं बता सकता. तो C भी गलत है, D भी गलत है. Okay. So it is a build up the basics and become specific. Okay. So you guys will be doubtful here. Sir, build up the basics. But concretized का मतलब क्या है? Be specific in any matter. Okay. जिनका जवाब पूछता हूं, जिनका क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा है, जिनका जवाब मैंने पूछा है, उसका ही आंसर दो. Don't go for other things. Okay. Don't go for other things. जिसका पूछा है उसका ही जवाब दो. Become specific here. Yes. Precise. Okay. Become precise. जितना बोला है उतना ही बात करो. जितना बोला है उतना ही बात करो. So become specific is the right answer, right? Become specific is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. Ram tried to exhort Lakshman in going into the forest looking for the golden deer. What does the word exhort mean? Ram tried to exhort Lakshman in going into the forest looking for the golden deer. What does the word exhort mean? What does the word exhort mean? Okay. Oh, here there are four options. So you guys have to tell the right one. Okay. You guys have to tell the right one. बहुत ही आसान सवाल है. So I think I can get 100% here. Right. I think I can get 100% here. Right. Very good. हाँ. 1.1 seconds में सब आंसर कर दिया. क्या ही तो बात है. Yeah, sure, Bhavya. I will show after this question, Baba. रामायण देखा है ना सब लोगों ने. सो डू यू थिंक राम वाज अ कमांडिंग पर्सनालिटी? हाँ, रामायण सब लोगों ने देखा है ना. सो हाउ कैन राम बी अ कमांडिंग पर्सनालिटी? टेल मी पीपल. Was Ram he commending Lakshman? Huh? Was he commending Lakshman? Obviously, ये रामानंद सागर की रामायण देखने के बाद तो सबको पता है. The Ram was so polite there. Lakshman, एक काम कर ले तू. Right? He was talking like this. No. Right? Was he commanding someone? So how can it be that option? Right? So Tanuja at the top. Okay, Tanuja. Sorry. Okay, मैंने Tanuja mix कर दिया. Okay, Bhavya, Adi, Pratik, Roshni, Adya, Pranita, Harshda, Vinayak, and Sirisa. I think most of you people, this is the first class for you, right? Okay. How many people are coming for the first time? How many people are seeing this face for the first time? ये तालिबान वाला फेस कितने लोग पहली बार देख रहे हो? अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा है. हाँ, ओके, देख लो. मैं कभी कभी पेपर में आ सकता हूँ. पेपर में आ सकता हूँ. तालिबान अल्लाह अल्लाह. हाँ, ऐसे. ओके, चलो. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, exhort. Right. So was he warning? Was he warning? Was Ram warning the person here? Was Ram warning Lakshman? नहीं हो सकता. Right. Was Ram trapping? Right. The golden deer was the trap here. Yes or no? The golden deer was the trap here. So Ram was not trapping this person. Ram was not trapping this person. Okay. So was Ram commanding? Right. Do you think Ram was commanding? Right. रामायण बहुत लोगों ने देखा है. तो Ram, did he ever command Lakshman? Right. He was just telling him. Right. He was trying to persuade him. सबको पता है ना अशोक वाटिका का. Ashok Vatika, everyone knows this story, yes or no? Ravan comes, he tries to kidnap Sita, right? So what was Ram doing there? He was persuading, right? लक्ष्मण बोल रहा था भैया मत जाओ मत जाओ मत जाओ मतलब, राइट? भैया मत जाओ मत जाओ. पर राम था लक्ष्मण तू इधर ही ठहर, मैं जाता, राइट? सो दैट वाज व्हाट राम वाज टेलिंग, राइट? ही वाज परसुएडिंग मतलब टेलिंग कंटिन्यूअसली, यार प्लीज करना यार. आदि यू परसुएड नो ऑलवेज और माय टेलीग्राम चैट, सर प्लीज सर उसका नंबर दे दो सर, एक ही बार टेक्स्ट करूंगा, एक ही बार टेक्स्ट करूंगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट, ओके, परसुएडिंग समवन. सर प्लीज सर दे दो सर, दे दो सर. पेस्टरिंग, huh? You can also use this word pestering. Yes, Adya. Convince is also fine, right? Yeah, try to convince a person, pestering a person. करो 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 करके ये छोटे बच्चे करते हैं ना, छोटे बच्चे करते हैं ना, right? Is it just for me the class is getting disconnected in between? अच्छा, no, I don't think so. Is anyone facing technical issues? Oh, Supriya has come. अच्छा, बहुत लोगों का हो रहा है. Okay, तो वो ऐप का गलती है. Means app Unacademy app, okay, not app, Unacademy app, app एप्लीकेशन उसका गलती है. ठीक है, ये हो सकता है. ओके, आप लोग बताइए मुझे. ओके, हम प्रबंध करेंगे इसके बारे में, आप चिंता मत कीजिए, हम प्रबंध करेंगे इसके बारे में. चलो, राइट? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, परसुएडिंग समवन. एग्जॉर्ट का मतलब है यू आर परसुएडिंग दैट पर्सन. ओके, परसुएडिंग दैट पर्सन. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर. लेट अस मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, यस, क्वेश्चन 16. People are highly extrapolating. People are highly extrapolating that the peak of COVID-19 will come down in another 3-4 weeks. Right? People are highly extrapolating that the peak of COVID-19 will come down in another 3-4 weeks. Okay. What does the word extrapolate mean? Right? What does the word extrapolate mean? Okay. So four options are here: anticipate, deduce, decide, and assume. Okay. Deduce, decide, and assume. Here you guys can assume it properly. Here you guys can assume it this. Here you guys can assume the answer. खुशी देखो लोगों में, हाँ? खुशी देखो लोगों में, हाँ? अरे आई विल explain you Kritika, I'll explain you, don't worry. हाँ, I'll explain you, don't worry, right? Okay. Okay, so just think of it. COVID-19 is a disease, right? So we can't tell, no, we can't tell definitely that it will come down. Yes or no? What you have to do? You have to assume there, yes or no? Right? You have to assume. शायद हो सकता है, शायद नहीं हो सकता है, right? You can't tell anything, right? Right now the schools and colleges are closed, तो शायद इसलिए peak down हो रहा है, हाँ? Right? हाँ, सब आंसर ऐसे ही बता दूंगा. आज पूरा मैंने, I have brought difficult words, okay? Okay, so let's see this. Anticipate. What does anticipate mean, Baba? Right? What does anticipate mean? Okay, so I have my Adi. Okay, तो आदि हमेशा पापा आते हैं ऑफिस से, so आदि will be anticipating पापा will get me chocolates. So that is what is called as anticipating. You are anticipating something. हाँ, ए पापा मेरे लिए कुछ लेकर आएंगे, मेरे को पता है. I know my papa very well. I know my father. So that is anticipating something. You are anticipating someone. हाँ, ये हो सकता है. I am waiting for someone. I'm waiting for someone. So that is what. Bike नहीं मिलेगा बेटा. Yes, expecting, right? Expecting. Okay, not expectations. Expecting. ये पापा लेकर आएंगे. Anticipation. हाँ, वो excitement होता है ना when you are meeting a girl on the first date. Okay, when you're meeting the girl on the first date, your anticipation. Okay, वो शायद ऐसा आएगी, ऐसा आएगी. Okay, okay, हाँ, okay, okay. मैं उसको ले केक लेकर आऊँगा. ये that anticipation, that excitation. Okay, so that is what is called as anticipation. You're waiting for someone. Huh? Okay. What does deduce mean? What does deduce mean? Someone can tell me. Logical reasoning, right? Logical reasoning. Okay. Not reduce, Baba. Deduce. D-D-U-C. Deduce. इसका मतलब है logically. We deduce, right? पूरा होने के बाद we take something from that. We logically tell an thing. Okay. Deducing. तो अभी COVID का peak देखकर हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Right now we can deduce something. Okay. Right now we can also deduce that a vaccine will take more time. Yes or no? Right? Conclude. Okay. So that is called as deduce. Logical reasoning. Logically you are telling it. ये नहीं होगा. Okay. Decide सबको पता है. Okay. Everyone knows what is decide. It is a decision. What does assume mean? Okay. Is assume logically telling? Assume हो सकता है. शायद. हाँ? शायद हो सकता है. It is my assumption. ये सुप्रिया है ना हमारी, ये बहुत assumption करती है. Supriya does a lot of assumptions. Okay, she thinks Shah Rukh Khan will come next to her house. Okay, so that is also right. Anticipate, it is not the same meaning, Baba. I will tell you there is a difference between anticipate and assume. Right? Anticipate is different. Anticipate is expecting something. Okay, assume is not expecting something. In दोनों का वो different meaning है. Right? Anticipate is meaning something. Anticipate, you are anticipating that this will happen. Okay, so that is what assumption is not logical. Okay, highly extrapolating, the meaning is assume. People are assuming out of context here, right? People are assuming out of context here. Okay, we are not following the protocols. Then how you can think that COVID-19 will come down? Okay, so that is what is called as assume. Anticipation, matlab you know your father will do this, your father will do that. So that is called as anticipation. Matlab you have that hope. You have that hope here. So that is what is. This the assumption में hope नहीं है. You know, हवा में डिंगे मारना. That is called as assumption, right? That is what is called as assumption. हवा में डिंगे मारना. ठीक है? चलो, let's move on to the next question.
साधन सी है ये बात, परीक्षा करनी है पास, रोक के रखना अपनी सांस, अपनी एक ही आस पीछे सारे मंत्र और रट ले सारे फॉर्मूले, जब तक पार लगे ना नहीं है तब तक रेस्ट